Hi, good day mga ka-Exos Grinders. Update tayo for today. That's gonna be Saturday, no? January 11. So, hindi tayo nakapag-update for the previous days. Medyo busy lang. So, let's start first with the AXS. So, currently, yung price ng AXS natin is bumaba, which is within 24 hours, 2.83%. And currently ang price ng AXS is $6.16. And to heads up, since meron tayong nakastake na ron, meron tayong na-receive na airdrop 1,951 na JHOS coin na halagang $26.94. So I think pamasko to na ni Papa GS ng Axie. So currently right now meron tayong additional, so that's good. And then moving to our daily bounties, and under standard board, okay, Atia 10 points, all goods. Win 1 battle sa classic 35 points, all goods. And also win 1 battle sa origins 35 points. So for today, nakuha natin yung quota. Unfortunately for the whole week, meron pa lang tayong 400 points. And as you can see, hindi pa natin na kukumpleto yung ticket for next week. So most likely baka by next week hindi pa rin natin na-open yung premier ticket. So ayan, i-check nyo yung premier, naka-lock pa rin. And then bago tayo pumunta sa staking, ito yung nakuha natin na reward from last week's farm. Meron tayong 0.1076 AXS. I-add natin to sa stake natin today. And moving to our staking AXS. Okay, so currently including yung na-farm natin and also yung na-collect natin, so all in all meron tayong 31.79 129 AXS. Currently ang price na ngayon is nasa $196.41. So yun lang yung update natin for today. Follow for more.